Alright, so apparently the GoPro didn't record me riding Adobo's R6. Safe to say I'm gonna have a hard pass on that.
What?
Holy shit.
Yeah.
This is really, really comfy. Oh my god, this is so smooth. Yeah, this is more my style, bro. 5,000 RPM, like, yeah, the R6 was just too much, bro. Way too much for me. Granted, I had a backpack on going full cup, but like, it's gonna be a hard pass for me. This is plenty of power right here. This is yeah, bro. Yeah, this is fucking perfect. Oh man. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, this is great, dude. Oh my god. Oh man. This is plenty of power. It's upright, it's fucking really comfy. Okay. Yeah, this is more my style, bro. It's just upright, just has power when you need it. It's not overbearing. Like, this is great. Smooth clutch, smooth transmission. Just like, look at that, bro. Look at that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Gas gauge, TFT dash. Oh man. It's so easy to shift. Look at that, bro. Look at that. And easy to blip, that's for sure. Plenty of power. Yeah, bro. Woohoo! Yeah! Man! Woohoo! This is way better, bro. Way better. Like, there's no effort to shift. Like, no effort. Like, yeah, bro, this might be next. Like, seriously. Like, I'm actually being so serious right now. Like, Ninja 650, bro. Like, easy to find neutral. Really easy to find neutral, actually. Oh, man. Sounds fucking amazing, in my opinion. This is the kind of bike I would want. Just something that's good on gas, something that's fast when you need it to be. Like, so easy to shift. Oh my god. This is fucking amazing, bro. A fucking great bike. Great fucking bike. Oh my god, man. This is... like, there's no effort to shift, like, at all. Like, no slippage in the clutch at all. Like, the clutch is really light, which I thought there would be a lot of slipping, but there's not. Because my brother had that issue on his T400, and they use the same clutch, I think. So yeah, this is so fucking good, bro. So easy to shift. Legroom is top notch. Brakes are really good too. Oh man. Yeah, this is my next bike, bro. Like, in terms of power, this is great, bro. Like, cruising. RPM, 4,500 RPM, bro. Like, perfection. Fuck 1,000. This is it. This is fucking it.
650, man.
Dude, the legroom is fucking great. Like, I can shift no problem. Like, in a lean, like, I have to kind of adjust.
Yeah.
No fucking issues at all. The smoothest shifting I've ever experienced, honestly.
Yeah,
like,
that's what I've noticed about bike.
fuck yeah, dude. I honestly would buy this off you. Like,
it's cheaper too than. Hey, my wife is pregnant right now. She hasn't been riding this, dude.
Fuck, man. Like,
like, we'll get you another when the time comes. We'll get you something.
Yeah,
We'll get you a
exactly.
6-star, you know.
yeah, I mean, like,
Now see, the next bike I'm gonna buy is an R1, but then if I end up getting another 600, it'll probably be a 60.
cruising at 65, 70, 4,500 RPM.
Really?
Yes. Fucking, dude, it's great. It's fucking great. Like, you'll know what I'm talking about. You'll know what I'm talking about. Lightest clutch ever. So easy to shift. There's no fucking effort at all, bro. Like, man, this is the best one. This is the best one by far. Like,